battery's about to die, but I just wanted to show you guys something. I just had a blowout. Yeah, because I want to gel my hair, so I just used my handy dandy hair dryer. Listen, I've had this hair dryer since I was 15. I got this as a birthday present for my 15th birthday alongside my hair straightener. Listen, this is not some people's age mates. Like, respects my hair dryer and hair straightener. So I've had them like since I'm 29 now. I'm gonna be 30, so I've almost had them for like 15 years and stuff. But yeah, so I just had the blowout. I want to gel my hair like I said before, and then yeah, so probably when I'm done I'm gonna show you guys. But right now I need to charge my camera. It sucks because Canon camera is, Sony camera is annoying only because of the battery, guys, only because of the battery. But yeah, so I'm about to do what I need to do. I don't think I did a great job because there's still some bits that, you know, are quite stubborn. I was born with dreadlocks, so I think that's why I have a really coarse 4C hair, but then my hair is actually soft. Like, the front of my hair is actually like really soft and stuff. But anyways, so I'll speak to you guys once I'm done. Hey babes, welcome to a new vlog. I don't know, like, it's so weird how having introduced you guys to a new vlog. But yeah, welcome to a new vlog. If you're seeing my face for the first time, please don't forget to join the family, subscribe, like, and all the good stuff. Guys, listen, before you continue watching this video, make sure to like, because it's really important. That way your girl can reach a wider audience. But yeah, so make sure you like. And it's not just for me. Like, if you're watching like a content creator's video on YouTube, like, it's very important to like. On Instagram, on TikTok, everywhere, just like, you know, that's the way you can show your own little support. But yeah, so guys, I'm back to my weight loss journey. It's actually been quite like nice. Like, I think my problem is eating healthy. It's not working out, because working out for me could be like a habit. Like, I could literally start working out today, and as much as I say to myself, okay, Timmy, get up, you need to be consistent, that's it. But eating healthy, especially when you live in a house where like it's not just you. When I started my weight loss journey, I started when I was in Jos, like during my NYC. It was the easiest thing ever, because it was so much easier for me to just stay on track. Like, I was so strict. Like, I didn't eat rice for like 2 years, no cap. Like, all the Christmas food, I didn't eat it. Like, I was not eating rice at all. I was eating swallow. I would eat swallow. If we're gonna eat rice, I would take like cauliflower and all the good stuff and everything. Like, but now such a struggle. Even when I left Jos and I went back home, because I'd been like so strict with my diet for like almost like 7 months, so it made it so easy for me to like, you know, do the same thing. Me, normally I would fry plantain. As I'm frying plantain, even though the one I've not fried, I'm already putting it in my mouth before. But when I was losing weight that time, I did not do that and stuff. Like, I became really skinny, but I think I was like size 6, 8. I became that skinny. Like, it was like, looking back at it now, it was quite terrible how skinny I was, because I never want to be that skinny. But at the same time, yeah, I don't want to be this big either. But yeah, so I am back on it. I'm trying to do keto, but I don't want to like, or low carb. Let me say low carb. I don't want to say keto, but I want to like just ease into it. Like, I don't want to rush anything. I don't want to rush myself starting keto all of a sudden. So I want to just ease into it and stuff. And yeah, so guys, I already prepped my meal. I made some turkey. I grilled some turkey, and yeah, obviously it's so much easier when you prep your meal, because you know that, okay, like, it's so much easier than not prepping your meal, because if you don't prep your meal, you end up, losing your way. But I already prepped my meal, so I'm gonna be having like sweet potatoes and some turkey during the week. I also made sauce yesterday. Today's Monday, by the way. On Sunday, I think I made fried rice. Yeah, I made fried rice. But yeah, so yeah, really. And I want to talk about something else. Maybe I'll talk about it in my next vlog, because I don't want to talk too much. But yeah, basically, today's Monday. I want to go prepare my I think it's already like past 2, but yeah, I want to make my brunch because I've not eaten anything all day, so I want to make my brunch. I also worked out earlier on and stuff, and yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna end the vlog today. Actually, I think I might end the vlog today. And guys, I'm sorry, like, I know you guys expect me to be going out, but honestly, I'm not really the going out type. I want to make it a habit of going out now, because I mean, it's gonna make more sense, to network with people and do quite a lot of things. But yeah, I'm gonna make an effort to start going out like often. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog today. But if not, you guys will see whatever else I'm doing. But yeah, like I said before, don't forget to like this video, guys. Please, it's going to be really helpful to like this video. That way, you're helping me to grow and reach a wider audience, like I said before. So guys, this is my my yogurt. So I have peanuts, I have chia seeds, and I have granola. I made this granola yesterday. It's so good. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go enjoy this, and yeah, I don't know why it's blurry. Okay, it's a bit better. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here anyways. But yeah.